What's up, home bartenders? We made pumpkin spice liqueur. Now let's use it to make 3 awesome pumpkin spice cocktails. Let's do it. All right, starting off, we've got some Courvoisier cognac, our pumpkin spice, and some Peychaud's bitters. This is the pumpkin Sazerac. So starting off with Courvoisier cognac, we've got 2 ounces. Use any brandy you like. You could probably use whiskey here too, but I think the cognac's gonna work just nicely. And then we're gonna do half an ounce of pumpkin spice syrup. Now, you might think half an ounce for a Sazerac or an old fashioned is a lot, but we really want to pronounce those pumpkin flavors. 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. We're going to give it some ice and give this a really good stir. All right, let's strain into a glass, but we gotta rinse it with some absinthe. I got my atomizer here. Oh yeah, lovely absinthe flavor in there. And then we're going to dump traditionally Sazerac, no ice, but we're gonna give it a nice orange peel for garnish. The pumpkin Sazerac. Funny enough, the pumpkin flavor is actually cutting through the absinthe. I thought the absinthe would overpower, but I'm getting absinthe, but I'm also getting that pumpkin and those baking spices. Ooh, I like that. I think the cognac is definitely the way to go for this one versus like whiskey, rye. The cognac works really well with the pumpkin and all those spices because it has this richness, which just is perfect for the pumpkin syrup. That little bit of absinthe and those Creole bitters, the Peychaud's bitters works really well. This is really good. And it's not overly sweet compared to a regular Sazerac. There's a little bit more syrup in this, but mainly because we want to pronounce that pumpkin spice flavor, but it doesn't feel like there's too much sugar. No, this is really good. Moving on. For our second drink, bringing back the cognac, we've got creme de cacao and cream pumpkin. This is a pumpkin Alexander. All right, 1.5 ounces for cognac this time. Again, you can use any brandy you'd like. In the glass here, we're gonna follow that up with a full ounce of our pumpkin spice syrup. Yeah, we want a full ounce here. This is gonna be a sweet drink. This is a dessert drink. 1/2 ounce of creme de cacao. Afterwards, gonna give it a nice hint of chocolate. Not too much though. And then we're gonna follow that up with 1 ounce of cream. This is single cream, half and half, call it what you like. It's cream. Get that in the glass. All right, let's get some ice in there. Let's do a flippy move, shaky shake. There we go. All right, and we're gonna serve that in a stem glass, any glass you'd like, and we're gonna garnish with a nice dusting of nutmeg. The pumpkin Alexander. I'm not a huge brandy Alexander guy. I don't dislike them, I just don't make them often. But I'm expecting this to be like pumpkin pie, straight up dessert drink. Yeah, as expected, that's really good. I'm not the biggest cream drink guy. I like cream drinks like a Christmas, eggnog, things like that. But this is just really nice. It's not super thick. If there was like an egg in here, if it was a full-on flip, it'd be a lot richer, and I would think it'd be too rich. But this, just a bit of cream. That cognac is really nice. Like I said, like the Sazerac, the cognac works really well with the pumpkin syrup. And that pumpkin flavor, the baking spices, the nutmeg on top, everything just works in this. This is really good. Oh, man, that's good. We got one more. Hey guys, if you like these cocktails so far, we have a lot more pumpkin spice cocktails on the channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, and check out all our playlists and upcoming videos for the fall, for Halloween, for pumpkin spice season. Cheers, back to it. We got one left. The pumpkin spice latte meets the espresso martini. This is the pumpkin spice espresso martini. How can this not be good? Starting with a shot of fresh espresso. I think a little more than a shot there, but get some fresh espresso. And then 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. What I like to do is soak up the leftover crema. Make sure you get all that lovely coffee foam. After that, we want 3/4 ounce of our pumpkin spice syrup in there. That's it, 3 ingredients in this one. Give it some ice, flippy move, give it a good shaky shake, and then we're gonna serve it in a Nicanor glass or any stemmed glass. Wait for that crema to form on top, and then the obligatory 3 coffee beans. Pumpkin spiced espresso martini. This is the one I was the most excited for, just because This seems like a no-brainer. Pumpkin spice lattes, espresso martini, like it seems like the obvious thing to do for cocktails and pumpkin spice. Oh yeah. I mean, it's a boozy, chilled pumpkin spice latte. That's all I have to say. If you like pumpkin spice lattes, if you like espresso martinis, I mean, yeah, it just works. I could drink this whole thing in 2 seconds. All right, we have to rate these. I'm very surprised. I did not think I would like some of these as much as I did. I liked every one of these a lot. Yeah, this was a fantastic selection, but I gotta rate them. That's the name of the game, right? So in first place, I'm gonna give it to the pumpkin spice espresso martini, just because, yeah, it's a boozy pumpkin spice latte, a boozy chilled pumpkin spice latte, and it just tastes amazing. And I love coffee, and I love the pumpkin spice, and that just works. Second place, I think I'm gonna give it to the pumpkin Sazerac. I was not expecting to like that one that much. But again, the cognac and pumpkin just work so well together. I'm quite impressed by that. And in last place, but still fantastic, the pumpkin Alexander. Really, really great drink. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I made 3 other pumpkin spice cocktails a while ago. You can check out this playlist here. Those were made with my pumpkin spice liqueur, but you can easily interchange that with the pumpkin spice syrup. Liqueur syrup is not gonna make a huge difference, but if you do wanna make the liqueur, check out this video here, and that will show you how to make that. And we will see you in the next one, guys. Fall cocktails in full swing. Love it. Cheers.